see you at Phuket. We'll take you to see a masterpiece that's currently trending at Thailand Biennale Phuket 2025. Hello everyone, I'm Noi. Today, see you at Phuket. We'll take you to see a masterpiece that's currently trending at Thailand Biennale Phuket 2025. This DHEVEENA, Goddess of the Sea, a giant sculpture that many people say is magnificent, like the goddess who truly protects Phuket. DHEVEENA, a work by Ajahn Ari Kompon, an artist who interprets the power of the sea, faith, and Phuket identity through the face of serene, yet powerful goddess. A closed-eye face, like the fins of the sea creatures, and the top, like a ray of energy rising from the ocean. There's also the rich explorer internal well by Dr. Kamon Hassanachali, national artist. This permanent sculpture, Labyrinth, by Ajahn Pitupong Chawakun. Every element was meticulously crafted with support from the public and private sectors in Phuket to bring this place to the world. This is the charm of Thailand Biennale Phuket 2025. It's not just an art show, but it's let the world see the creative power of Phuket people. Last but not least, thank you Phuket Provincial Administrative Organization for supporting Thailand Biennale Phuket 2025 and our journey. See you again in next week. We'll see you at Phuket. Bye bye.